ETC, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned about the different possibility. Even we mentioned the price can drop because we were looking for the correction. At least even we point on this, we mentioned we can expect to get any drop similar to what we have here. And this is what we get, and this is there was, as you can see, the price reverse. Most of the charts we have this one. By the way, in my last analysis we mentioned we're looking for buy, but if you want to look to get the buy, we have to get the correction, and that's why we point on this, and this is what we get. Now the question is how deep, how complex can be, and how we can trade it. But first of all, we refer to higher time frame. We start with daily chart. As we can see, there is no much changes based on daily chart. The only thing is we can see the price broke the previous top, and we want to see whether we can get the continuation. But in this case, we move to forward chart. The only thing is, even based on forward chart, if we want to look for trade, we can look for, we should wait and get the correction. Okay. And now the question is whether we get the correction or not, because right now we don't have any trade set up. Anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. All right. You want to see what we have based on 1 hour chart. The only thing is, based on 1 hour chart, even if you want to look for trade, I don't think so we can get any trade set up within this. Okay, that's why if there is a continuation and if lag or correction above the top, this is the only way we can look for trade. Having entry above the stop can be an option. And what we are looking for, we want the price tag break and continue. If the price tag within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we don't stay with the trade. Why? Simply this one can tend to a flat. Mostly if we get a flat, any buy from there can give us better confirmation. That's why it depends on the traders. They want to have entry above this or not. Because the reasons we want to have entry in case the price continue from here without giving us the trade setup. But it's really risky. As I mentioned, the price can simply tag and reverse. The best thing is if we get more complex correction, at least flat before we can look for next move. And right now we don't have any trade setup. Okay. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.